Welcome to Electric Scooter World. Are you planning to sell or give away your Segway Ninebot? Or maybe you're experiencing some issues and need a fresh start? Unbinding your Segway Ninebot is a crucial step in ensuring the security of your personal data and the smooth transition to a new owner. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it with confidence. But before we dive in, let's quickly explore why unbinding is so important. When you unbind your device, all personal information, including writing history, ownership identity, and any saved settings, is wiped clean. This means that any data that could potentially be used to track your movements or habits is completely erased. Now, let's get into the steps. First, open your Segway Ninebot app and navigate to the menu by tapping the menu button. This is where you'll find all the options related to your device. Next, scroll down and select the Unbind option. This is the crucial step where you start the process. After selecting Unbind, you'll need to verify your identity. Tap on Verify, and a code will be sent to the email or phone number associated with your account. Enter the code in the app. Finally, select the Confirm to Unbind button, and that's it. Your device is now unbound, your data cleared, and the Segway Ninebot is ready for its new owner. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and happy riding.